Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder and group applications on your iPhone device. In order to do that, I have some social media apps, and now I want to group them inside in a single folder. How to do that? I'm coming on my Instagram application and press and hold for a long time, and after that, as we can see, we have a menu here appearing. We're clicking edit home screen, and after that we are keeping and dragging Instagram on my YouTube. Leave it, and you can see a small group of folder has been created, and we can give a name to this. Click and hold for a long time on the group. As you can see, we have the rename option. Clicking this, and for this I'm gonna say social media. Saying OK, clicking on the screen, and you can see we have created a social media folder. Clicking done, and now you can drag it wherever you want inside your screen. Put it to the side, and now I'm gonna drop and drag Kik application inside this folder that I've created recently. Hold and still, and now simply dragging Kik application inside this social media folder that I've created. Leaving, and you can see I have grouped it. Clicking done, and let's create also a folder for the sport applications. We have two. We have Club 1908 and Esports application. I want to group them inside in a single folder. Hold and still on my Esport Plus, saying edit home screen, and once again I'm dragging and dropping my application above the Club 1908. Leaving like this. As you can see, automatically renamed to sports folder like this. You can rename it whatever you want. Sports apps. I'm going to rename it like this. Clicking done, and we have created our folders on your iPhone device very successfully. This video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.